All right. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer for another show here. All right. Welcome, everyone. So let me just making sure sound is loud and clear before we get going. All right. Can I have anyone confirm sound is good over YouTube, please? Comment. Just say, hey, we're good to go. Let's go, baby. All right, so welcome. Just before I do the intro, I just want to make sure because I play with my mic a little bit, the setting of my mic. So I just want to make sure. Actually, let me verify something here. Audio. Yeah, should be good. Can I have someone confirm? All right, we're good. All right, perfect. So welcome to everyone. This is Forex Talk Over Beer. So basically, the concept of this show is really simple. We're gonna have a little bit of fun here. Just relax, chill, enjoy a little drink here. All right, so you guys choose that beer in Forex Talk Over Beer pre-show. So this one is Indian, a double dry hop Indian Pale Ale. This one is let's see, probably around 8%, if I'm not wrong. I don't see it, but whatever. 7%. It was not big enough. Anyways, so we're gonna have a drink. We're gonna talk about Forex. So basically, we're gonna break down trade from the week. You can ask all your question, making sure you understand what it is. Plus, today I'm also gonna talk about some NFTs project I'm involved with into the Solana blockchain. And also, I'm gonna explain you why I'm about to ditch all my freaking ETH project except one. All right, so I'm going to talk about that also. So if you're interested, make sure to watch this until the end. We're going to talk about this. So welcome to every new people. I know since I start to stream only once a week. YouTube is not pushing the algorithm my way. So I will ask you guys to smash the like button as you come in, please, because I got to get the algorithm going. We used to have like hundreds of people here every night, like not every night, but every Friday night. And now it's just like getting super slow because I kind of took a break for a month and a half-ish. And now getting back at it, it looks like YouTube doesn't like me anymore. So all right. So just make sure you smash the like button as you come in, please. That would be very, very appreciated. I don't ask for much. If you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. So by the way, I do trade live. I do trade Forex live with you guys every Tuesday morning starting at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, let's get going. All right, so let's get going. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. I mean, anything, comment, suggestion, I'm always open to listen. But first thing first, let's crack up the beer. All right, so let's crack it up, baby. There we go. There we go. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, baby. Woo. Smells super good. All right, so the first thing we need to do is the official cheers. All right, so this is really, really important. Cannot have a Forex talk over beer without a cheer. So just gonna pour this little baby until the end. There we go. We're good. Excellent. All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the official cheers. So I'm gonna present my glass to you guys. You guys do a virtual cheers with me. You can snap a picture with your phone, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right, so guys, ready? And by the way, maybe you're watching the replay. I know there's a lot of you guys that watch the replays. Maybe you're having breakfast. Maybe you're having whatever, maybe you're having orange juice, wine, shots, tequila, whatever you guys drinking right now. Let's do a cheers, snap a picture, post it on Instagram, and I will share it. All right, guys. Guys, ready? So get ready for the cheers in 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right. So hopefully you had time to snap the picture. If not, just rewind a little bit, couple seconds. Bam, snap it, and let's go. Now I'm really wondering if the sound is good. Can I have anyone to comment and say sound is good? And I think the like button must be defect or something, because I mean we should be at least at 100% like ratio here. All right. So smash the like button. All right, let's get going. Let's get going, baby. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, perfect. There we go. Okay, so let's talk about this this trade. I mean, today I didn't trade because I mean I had a show yesterday night, and to be honest, yeah, no, I woke up a little later and I missed the move. But the best move was on gold. To be honest, it was on gold. And you had to take the let's take a look at the 1 hour right here. So breaking this 1 hour low right here. Actually, was it the 30-minute? It was the 30-minute round set. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Let me put the screen bigger. So there was something I was looking at to break this consolidation zone on gold. Where's my arrow? There we go. Perfect. Now we're set. Okay. So basically, if you look at this here, you wanted to break this consolidation zone. So we finally had at 6:30, we finally had this wick up and came down to break the low. You can enter right here at the break of the low. And after that, what happened is price retraced up. We opened here and bam, milled. So the best trade this morning was definitely gold for me. But unfortunately, I was not able to trigger it because I didn't woke up. But my idea was basically right here, put stop above that wick, and yeah, you can easy go for a 1-to-1 right here. Bam, there we go. So that was pretty good. So that was the trade for this morning. After that, nothing happened really with gold. I mean, gold pushed back up here and just back up into that consolidation zone right here. So it's a no-go. All right. It's a no-go. All right, so now let's go take a look at trade from, where's my Trixie? Trixie, right here. So trade on the 8th. This was on gold buy, okay? So this was super quick. This was like, I think 30 seconds trade, to be honest. It was crazy. This one was very basic also. Basically was waiting for a support to be formed. This is the 1 hour time frame, by the way, on gold. So I was waiting, of course, to break this consolidation. to retest the zone, and the yellow box right here is the golden zone. So basically, for people that's not used to my kind of, I don't like to call it strategy because it's not a strategy, but my style. I use the fib level here. So I place my fib from the beginning of the push to the end of the push. That gives me the rejection zone between the 50 and the 618 into the fib level. So, and it was also the same zone right here. So it was retesting the zone, plus it was support form right here for gold right here. Actually, sorry, I had 2 trades on gold that day. So I had one right here. This was this was crazy. It was moving so fast. I got slipped massively on my entry. But first entry was right here. First entry was right here. Okay. So first entry was right here. Stop was above that one. Right here, the previous 1 hour candle stop was right here. Okay. And the reason why, how I did it is I waited for this candle to open. My confirmation was this candle right here. This one for me is a doji. This one is a write-off candle for myself. So it's kind of, this candle doesn't exist for me. So if you push this candle beside this one, you got your support form, engulfing candle. We retested the zone. We're good to go. So this was my confirmation. But with gold, I'd love to see a wick down first. So when I saw the wick and price coming back up, when it started flipping, this is where I got the entry. Boom, I secured the bag fully. I think it was around like 50 pips or something like that. So yeah, so this was pretty good. After that, I had a second entry right here at the break of the high. But this wasn't my entry. My entry was a little higher. I think I got slipped like 5 or 6 pips, to be honest. And this was another quick move. Like, it went like hundreds of pips. This one of my biggest trade pip wise on gold. It was not my biggest trade money wise because I had a smaller lot size on that one. The reason why I already have my big winner right here, so I didn't want to risk all my profits, so decided to go with a smaller lot, right? So yeah, so let's see here. Oh wait, we got Fabo. Hey Fabo, man, what's up? So this is some people from the Soul Dog community. So again, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Like I said, I took a month and a half breaks, and since then, I mean, YouTube's not pushing the algorithm my way. I used to have like hundreds of people here. So now I'm starting from scratch again. So make sure to smash the like button, comment. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. So watch until the end, guys. We're gonna talk also about NFTs. And I'm gonna explain you why I'm about to ditch all my ETH project for Solana. All right, guys. So let's keep moving here. So this is the gold trade. So do we have any question about that gold trade? Because this was fire. This was fire. And by the way, guys, we're gonna talk about NFT projects at the end. And if you're watching this, I know there's a lot of people that's going to be watching the replay. If you're watching this and you wanted to get my course or my mentorship, and you don't want to spend $5.99 USD, there's another way you can get a little bit of support, and that's through that NFT from Soul Dogs. If you get a DGen dog, we're going to talk about that later on. But if you get a dog, that's a DGen traits. Man, the Franglish is having a problem with them tonight. So you're gonna have access to some of my calls, some of my analysis. But we're gonna talk about that more in just a couple minutes. All right. So now this was the gold trade. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Dun, 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 dun. No, that's not one. I cannot sing, man. I'm so crazy. Okay. Where's my Trixie? Let's go. The other trade I want to talk about is a swing trade. Swing trade right here. No, this is my GA trade that I got to stop at break even. Secure profit around like at that QP right here, the 78.50. Let's talk about this one. Let's put the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So if you look right here, okay, we got the double top right here. This is the neckline. We broke the neckline. So this was a perfect setup right here. We broke retest the neckline, engulfing candle right here on 1 hour, boom, take the entry right here, write it down, okay? So I secured profit at this major QP, but look at this trade, man. If I would have hold this trade, holy shit. This was like 160 pips. That's crazy. I did secure, my first partial profit was around 20-ish pips, and I closed fully at this major QP right here, which is the 1.79, okay? So this is where I closed. So this was one of the trade, very basic, right? Break retest and let's go. This was a major zone. So I knew that if we had a nice engulfing candle right here, we can write it down. What's up, Mitch, man? Welcome, SDC fam, bro. Let's go. The second trade on GA was right here. So once we broke, once we were pushing up, people thought we were like going up here, but I mean, this was a retracement mainly on 4 hours. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, let's put the fib. All right. So from here, actually, let me delete that one. Give me one sec, guys. Let's delete this. And not delete all those lines because it's getting confusing. I don't want people getting confused. I want this to be freaking simple. Okay. So when you place your fib, you place it from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, right? And if you look right here, we are coming up right here in what? The golden zone right here. So this is the rejection between the 50 and the 618. You see, we walked in that zone, rejected hard. We got this engulfing candle right here. And you can take it down if you want to look for a swing trade. I personally was doing an intraday on that one. So I went on 1 hour. Basically, I kind of missed it, to be honest. I was late. This was today, actually. I said it in trade. I took a small trade right here. This was not, this was like, have to say, this was a lot of FOMO, okay? Cheers, guys. So hopefully you have your drink. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. If you didn't smash the like button yet, do so, please. I need help to push the algorithm. Like I said, I took a month and a half break, and before I was streaming 4 days a week. Now I'm only 1 day a week. So yeah, I mean, I do Forex Talk with Beer on Friday night and live trading on Tuesday morning. So, but since then, I mean, kind of stuff to push the it stopped pushing the algorithm. All right. So anyways, so let's talk about this. So we finally came up here. We reject the major QP right here, reject the golden zone, and we start pushing. The real entry, okay, if I was watching the chart at that time, will be right here, you know, at the opening of this candle. But hey, I waited now. After that, what happened is this candle closed, and I took it on the break of the low right here. So on the break of this H1 low, I took it. It was super slow. It was one of the longest trade ever. I mean, not for real, but it's now these days I'm taking trades on gold. It takes like literally 30 seconds, couple minutes. Now this one, I mean, I was in profit, and after that stopped to break even. It's just like, oh god damn it. But I was able to secure 15 pips here, but my runner got stopped out at break even, so it is what it is. But this was not a really nice trade, to be honest, but I like to keep it real with you and tell you guys everything. So now let's talk about swing trade. Okay, so let's talk about swing trade here on NZDGPY. Okay, so let's put out the 4 hour time frame right here. This one's about to hit take profit. But wait a second. I'm not in that trade anymore. Okay. Why? Because I misplaced my stop loss like a retard. Yeah, you heard it right. I took a full loss on that one, okay? I was risking only 1% though. But I took a full loss 1% on that one. So what happened here is, if you see the golden zone right here, okay, people's gonna say, hey man, you broke your golden zone. Yeah, true. But this line right here, the green line, you see the 764, this is my safety net on the fib level. So if we do respect the safety net and we close back above, I'm still good to go. Plus, we reject the zone, you know, where there was a lot of rejection right here, and we close back above, nice engulfing candle right here on H4. And don't forget, I don't have this information after, you know, those candles doesn't exist when I took my trade. So I took the entry right here at the opening of the candle. Put stop right under here, which was a mistake. I should always put my stop at least 10 pips under the previous low, to give a little bit of room. Dude, I got stopped out literally by 5 pip mistake. This was stupid. And look at this, man. It's going to full TP right now. And this one was 123 pips for a 3-to-1 risk ratio. Man, oh man. Yeah, this one I think I'm gonna cry. This one I think I'm gonna cry because I was right about the move. And it's just like stupidness. So swing trading, I mean, I'm more of an intraday trader and scalper, but I'm starting to get to be a little bit better, getting myself better at it. But it's a long process. It's a very long process, but this was a mistake. Lesson learned. I'm going to journal that and mark it in my journal and making sure I don't do the same mistake again. Okay. Cheers, guys. Don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay. You guys are really quiet tonight. What's up with that, man? Usually I get bombarded with questions. All right. So this is AUD This is another swing trade that's about to actually that hit full TP. God damn it. Sweet. I didn't realize. That's amazing. You can tell I wasn't watching the chart today. All right, so let's see here. Let's grab the arrow right here. All right, so same concept, really simple. My swing trade ideas are super simple. All right, so I wait for pullbacks and I get in. All right, so if you look at the chart on the daily time frame, right here, we broke the structure. All right, so we broke the daily structure by pushing up right here. So since we broke that high, I mean, now I'm looking at buys. All right, so now if you go down on the lower time frame on H4, let me grab another arrow. All right, so we gotta push up. Now you gotta wait for the pullback. All right, so where's going to be that pullback? Is going to be between in the golden zone right here. So okay, let me see here. Some comments here coming in. Let me see. Fire trades, man, from David Johnson. Hey, what's up, David? What's up? Bro, high as fuck watching Abracadabra. Forex talk over beer underwater. Damn, son. Cheers, guys. Okay, let's jump back into it. Okay. So if you realize, I'm watching very simple. This concept is really simple. Okay. So wait for a high to be formed. Wait for the pullback down. Wait for a nice sign here. So here is the magic here. So you got the 4-hour candle closing engulfing above this zone that was broken. And wait a second. Where are we at? We are right in the golden zone right here between the 50 and the 618. All right. So this was the signal. Take the entry right here. I did opening the candle. Put the stop under previous. This time I didn't do the mistake. I put 10 pips under that one. And I'm aiming for a 3-2-1. And this one was actually 4-2-1. Holy, this one is good. Let's see if we hit TP5 here. TP4, sorry. So basically, I use those lines for TPs. So basically, with my magic key right here, I did place a partial TP right here at 3-2-1. So I did close 80% at 3-2-1, and I did close fully at 4-1. So this was all set on my MT4. I didn't have to do anything with it. It was all set. I don't have to watch it, and that's it, man. So yeah, pretty simple concept, to be honest. Oh, you wanted to say underwater, but you wanted to say underrated. Yeah, this show, I think Forex Talk Over Beer is definitely underrated. Because I mean, I'm dropping free gems here for everyone. But yeah, it's definitely underrated in my opinion. I think I love Forex Talk Over Beer more than my live trading session. Because in here we can go through different concepts, different trades ideas. We can go through different questions. When I'm trading live, I mean, I need to focus. I can answer some questions, but I cannot go deep into explanation to something. So here, I think this is way better than the live session. But I guess this is just my personal opinion. So yeah, so this was my trades for this week. Basically, not complicated, nothing magic, nothing crazy. It just takes times, and once it clicks, it clicks. All right. So now let's talk about NFTs. Let's talk about NFTs. Is there any some people here that do own NFTs? If yes, fire emoji. All right, send me a fire emoji if you have NFTs. Whatever NFTs, whatever. I want to see if you guys have some NFTs that you hold, and we're gonna talk about that. Let me switch the camera here. Boom. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. None of you have NFTs. All right. So let's. Oh, you guys got some NFTs. There we go. Here we go. Fab was here. All right. Perfect. So there's. I'm thinking to getting NFT soon. David, I'm gonna help you. Okay. So if I can, I'm trying to help at least one more people every day. To get into the NFT space, because I think it's gonna go like crazy. So here I don't want to explain what's an NFT. I think there's a lot of videos on YouTube you can go check. There's a lot of things. I love. There's a couple of channels though I can refer to you guys. There's definitely. Let me show you here. There's definitely this guy right here. Where is he? Jersey. This guy is pretty cool. I like to watch his video. He's super, super, super cool. So Jersey, Matt's Crypto is pretty good. I really like him. And Cody on Chain. So yeah, so those three are the three channel I will refer you guys if you want to know more about it. Definitely go see Gary V explanation about NFTs. That's gonna help you too. But yeah, guys. So I don't want to explain what's an NFT. I just want to explain what's my favorite project as right now and why I am moving. So let me explain. First thing first. Cheers, guys. All right, so we got some fire emoji right here. Fabo, oh, man. Dude, Fabo, man, I love your dog. Dude, that dog is fire. Dude, this is so fly. I'm thinking to get into NFT soon. Yeah, okay, I answered that. Mitch, you got NFTs. Sweet. Very nice. All right. Perfect. So let's talk about it. So I first got introduced in NFT a couple months-ish ago, maybe like 3 months-ish. I knew about NFTs before, but I was like, I was on the fence. When I started to understand exactly what it was, I was blown away by the technology, what was going on. It was like insane. So I first got into NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, ETH. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. If I can save money to anyone, I mean, there are some good project. Don't get me wrong. There are some good project on ETH. Okay, I don't want to diss all the ETH project, but just like, dude, when you go on their Discord, most of the time it's just like, it's fun. It's like just, man, it's tons of nonsense discussion. It's not fun. Plus, the project is super, 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 super expensive. Cause what? Because of the freaking stupid gas fee. Those fucking gas fee. Sorry for the F bomb. Those stupid gas fee. It's so stupid, man. You can buy a project worth like, I don't know, let's say $400, $500, and then you can have gas fee of $200. This is retarded. This is retarded. It don't make sense. So, anyways, so I got into different project. So let me show you some. Let me show you some. And I'm about to be not nice to some of them. OpenSea, let's go. Okay, so first I got into this one. Where is it? Oh, damn it. Where is it? What? Okay, sorry. Man, I don't know how to spell billionaire. Jesus. Here we go. So I got into this one first. Oh man, what a shit show so far. I'm not gonna diss them yet because they are working on something right now. But oh my gosh. So basically, I minted that one for 0.13. And now look at the floor price. But I mean, and the art is not even nice. It's just like, it's, it's, I don't know. But they're working on a tool to analyze NFT project, rarity, those kind of stuff. So it looks nice, but nothing is out yet. So I'm not going to diss them yet, but it doesn't look good so far. Okay. So after that, I got into this. Oh no, this was my second one. My first one was the biggest mistake ever. All right. So this one, I'm not going to be nice with them. So this one is definitely a slow rug. Okay. I still have it because right now, I mean, I minted it for like 0.20, I think. Look at this floor price. This is a slow rug. We have no news. They actually just did a draw for 5 trips in Dubai, which is cute. But I think it's just a slow rug. I don't know. I mean, this is nothing. I mean, look at the art too, man. When I look at the other project I'm going to talk about, be very careful. Look at those dogs. Look what I'm about to show you guys. This is disgusting. This is just like, bleh. Okay. So this is my fault. I jumped into this. This was my first project. I didn't do a lot of research, so I'm gonna blame myself. Okay, I'm gonna blame myself for that. But man, the team doesn't send any updates, any news. They're disappeared. Suddenly they appeared. They say, "Oh, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do that." Blah blah blah. But nothing happened. Okay. So this one is shit. So this one, I mean, right now, I mean, I cannot even sell it. It's gonna cost me more gas fee than to sell it. So it's just like I'm holding it, and hopefully it does something one time, and I'm able to. I mean, if I just can grab back my money, fine. But hey, it is what it is. So man, in anything you get started, get ready to lose money. If you start trading forex, if you start into the NFT world, if you start anything, if you start your own business, I mean, get ready to lose some money. It's possible you're gonna lose some money. Guess what, guys? It's not secret. All right, it's not rocket science. Okay, the other project, I mean, I got different project, but I'm not gonna go through all of them. So those two are my two worst one so far, I think. One that I really like into ETH. There's not a lot of project I do like, but if you look at NFT HUD, this one I'm still holding. This one I paid 1.10 ETH. This one is really good. So this one, if you are buying a lot of ETH project and you love the NFT on the ETH blockchain, that's fine. This one, even if I ditch all my other one, this one I'm going to hold it because this one actually did what billionaire bunkers wanted to do, but the tool's already out. The tool's already out. The tool's working. You can analyze. You got charts, analytic. You can spot. You can get whitelisted on a lot of project. You got a lot of perks with that project. So that one I really like it. It's just too bad that the floor crashed, but but if you want to get into one, again, this is not financial advice. Be careful. But this one looks pretty promising. And right now at 0.36, I think that's a steal. I paid 1.10. So I do believe that this one's gonna go back up. I'm not stressed. I'm gonna hold it, and that's it. And the other one I really like. Okay. The other one I really like is this one. That's the only one with NFT HUD I'm gonna keep. I think I got 10 other project on ETH. I'm just gonna dish them, and focus on Solana. So this one right here, this one is literally fire. Okay, so it's not revealed yet. So right now, if you want to pick up one, it's the time right now. It's actually a little bit cheaper than mint price. So this one is really good. I want to show you some some sneak peek. This one is pretty cool. Let me show you. Let me grab their Discord. 1 second, right here. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Sneak peek. Where's sneak peek? Look at the art on that one. I mean, those one are fire. Those one are really, really nice. So basically, this one's gonna be a game. Okay, you're gonna loot chest every week. In chest, you're gonna get ETH. You're gonna get different stuff. So that one has a real value. Look at this. Yeah, that one is fire, dude. That one is fly, literally. So yeah. Anyways, so that one I'm gonna hold it because I got 4 of those. And yeah, I can't wait for reveal and first chest. So this one, if you're looking at ETH project, this one is really dope. But all the rest is shit, to be honest. All the other one I have, I'm just gonna dish them. And the reason why I'm leaving ETH blockchain, it's because of the freaking gas fee. I cannot handle gas fee anymore. This is just retarded. Okay, so now Solana. Let's talk about Solana. All right, so let's talk about Solana. So first, if you look at Solana, you need to go on Magic Eden. Magic Eden is the equivalent of OpenSea on Heap. Okay, let me close this. So this is the equivalent of OpenSea, but for Solana project. Man, so far, all my project that I did on Solana did super well. I mean, not super well, but I actually did well. Okay. There's a lot of them that did super well. Okay. I don't think, actually, I don't have any project that failed on Solana so far. Let's cross fingers, knock on wood. But so far, so good. And the biggest thing is there's literally no fee. There's no fee. Dude, okay. Dude, I bought this ledger, okay? So I bought this ledger to be safe, okay? Just transferring one NFT to my ledger cost me $50. I was like, on ETH blockchain. Here on Solana, it cost me like 0.00001 Sol, which Sol is at $82 or something like that right now, which is super duper cheap. So if you're looking to get into the NFT world, I think this is the best way to get started with Solana. First, it's cheaper. You don't have to pay a lot of fees. More accessible to anyone. Plus, all these, I mean, a lot of projects on Solana actually have like something behind, either a game, either like staking. You can earn some passive income. I'm all about passive income. Just bring passive income to daddy. Passive income, baby. Let's go. All right. So now I'm going to show you my 3 because there's no project to ditch on Solana so far in my book. Okay. I got a lot of projects in, but my best 3. Okay. Let me show you. All right. So I would say number 3 is Danger Valley Dock. Okay. Danger Valley Dock is amazing. I got 3 docks staked right now. And yeah, so far I earned, after like a week and a half, I think I earned 0.62 Sol, which is pretty good. It's getting started. You got the Quack Pot, which is kind of a casino line. You get returns on it. You also get returns on royalty. Because when you buy an NFT, there's a percentage that goes back to the project. Let's say 10%, 8%, 5%, whatever the percentage. And they grab a percentage of that and give back to owners that hold and stake their NFTs. Okay, so this one, do your own diligence, do your research. But this one is really cool. The art is nice too. I mean, those dogs are pretty fire. I mean, I like those. It's just like, they're cool, So yeah, definitely Danger Dog, my number 3. Dude, my number 2, but I would say that my number 2 and my number 1 are equal, It's just like number 2 is BR1, okay? BR1. And the only reason why it's not number 1 yet is because the art's not revealed yet, so I cannot confirm. But man, this project is literally crazy, 9 Sol floor price. I bought some at 1.2, 1.3, and I minted 2 at 2. So yeah, I mean, this one is just retarded. Look at this. Look at this. Look at let's look at a little preview right here. So let's. Is it gonna load? Is it gonna load? God damn it! Come on, load. Do something. Whatever. It's not loading. Why? Let's try this one. Is it gonna load? It doesn't want to load. That sucks. Come on, baby. It doesn't want to load. Anyways, so BR1, what is it? It's a shooter game like Call of Duty. If you guys play Call of Duty, you like to shooting people. You know what? When you play Call of Duty, you're making zero money. All right, you want to make money every time you shoot your friend? Boom, get a BR1 character. All right, it gives you $1 per kill you do. Bam. All right, what about that? And if you don't like to play, that's fine. You can rent your character and own passive income. Sweet. Okay, so this one, dude, this one, it's just like, but I'm telling you, my number two and my number one are equal. I'm so fired up about that project. Dude, actually, I plugged my Xbox remote to my computer. I tried the alpha game right now because the alpha game is it's not okay. The reason why this went up to 9 Sol, it's because it's not like we're gonna do a game. The game was already there. Okay, so I mean, we're already playing with the alpha, and it's just amazing. So yeah, this project so fly. Okay. Let's talk about number one, equal number two with BR1. It's definitely Soul Dogs. Okay. Let's talk about Soul Dogs here, right here. Oh man, this project, dude, I'm so in love. I bought literally 20 dogs so far. Actually, 21. Oops. I did it again. Okay. I actually did an offer. I did lowball this guy right here. Please, no one steal that guy from me. Okay. I actually lowball this guy. So let's talk about Soul Dogs. Soul Dogs is an amazing project. This is probably the most underrated project as we speak. So if you're looking at getting into a project right now, this is probably the cheapest project you can get in for the highest return long term. Okay, but don't think you get rich tomorrow. Okay, but this is freaking fire. Okay, it's gonna be let me show you. Let me show you the website. So let's actually the website should be right here. Right here. Perfect. Look at this. Own, earn, and explore in the first virtual city on Solana. All right, let's explore. Let's go take a look at it. Oh, god damn it. Can I do this online? Okay, perfect. So you see, this is amazing. They're gonna build, dude. When I'm gonna show you right now, the character, the dogs that you see, this is the first phase. Okay. So this is the world. This is just like a beta test. Not a beta test, but a beta version. If you look at menu, all right, you can get job board. You can stake your dog. You can send your dog to work. You see, there's different job. You can put your dog to work, and you're gonna earn because yes, they create their own token. Okay, so they got their own token. They got their own crypto. So and that's going to be converted into Sol. If you want to trade it against Sol, that's fine. But basically, right now I've got 20 dogs working right now, giving me like 18.75 bones per day. Okay, which is pretty cool. At first, of course, it's gonna be slow. It's gonna be small amount, but it's just gonna increase and increase and increase and increase as soon as the game goes. So you definitely want to be there in the start of this project. Okay, so the character that I just show you is the first thing. You can go on here and look at a roadmap. That roadmap is fire. All right. So phase one is the Soul Dog collection. Phase two is happening as we speak. We got the first sneak peek. Let me show it to you, dude. Those houses are just literally, dude. I cannot stop watching at them. I just can't wait to buy one. Let me see. Let me see here. Where is sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek? Right here. Okay, look at this, guys. Seriously, like, dudes, this is one of the best art I ever saw. You just like this is. Look at the details in this. This is just Amazing. Look at this, man. Come on, seriously? What? Okay. I mean, I can't wait. And those houses, you're gonna be able to rent it and earn passive income also. So anyway, so I'm getting it way too excited right now. We are Friday night. All right, it's Friday. Yeah, cheers, guys. All right, so this is my favorite top 3 project on NFT Solana right now. I mean, do your own research. This is not financial advice. Don't get me wrong. All right, but make sure to do your own research. Let's see. Fire. Here we go. Let's see. All right, perfect. Do we have any question, man? Do we have any question about anything like Forex, NFTs? Let's see. Not much. All right, so the goal is to bring back those, like I got videos with 10,000 views. The goal is to bring back all those people. So for sure, make sure to smash that like button, share, comment, help me out here. I want to get back to with those 10,000 views. It's really hard to get the ball rolling again with the YouTube algorithm. So I really need your help, guys. All right. So thank you so much for being here tonight. I'll be back on Tuesday morning, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. We're going to be trading live with you guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And I'll see you on Instagram. Take care, guys.